What's going on, my beautiful people? Richard Harrison here. Look, in this video, I want to do a quick Social Prospector Pro review for 2023. I just picked up this tool yesterday. As a matter of fact, you can get like you can get $1 trial for 3 days and, test it out. And the reason I got it is simply because, I'm not a Facebook person really, but, I do go to Facebook, and reach out to people every now and then and things like that. And so I wanted to clean up my friends list so I can bring new friends, who are actually affiliate marketers and network marketers onto my Facebook profile. And I was doing it manually and I hated it because it was just, too time consuming for me. I just want to get on Facebook, check a few things, reach out to a few people, answer a few questions, and then get back to what I'm doing. So I picked up Social Prospecting Pro last night and I played around with it a little bit. So I just want to give you a quick review on it. And if you want to get access to it, you can click the link in the description. But this is the actual sales page here, okay, of Social Prospecting Pro. Now you have 3 different plans that you can get on. You have the light version, $30 a month plan, a $47 Pro monthly, and a $497 Pro annual if you want to get on the annual. And with each one of these, you get to test it, test drive it for $1. And here it just shows you what you get with each one. I chose the $47 Pro monthly plan, so that's the one I went with. And you can also click here to kind of see what the difference is between them. This video will explain it, pops out to you and explains that to you, so you can check that out. This is Rodney. He's the creator of this software, this Facebook prospecting tool software. And, it's real simple. I haven't gotten a whole lot of in-depth with it, but I have used it today and yesterday to do a couple of things. And I really like, what I'm seeing about it. It's just an easy 4-step process. It tells you what to do. You can come on the page here, check out some of the testimonials here. Okay, you'll see some more results here as well. We're going to get into the tool, but on these videos right here, like you can just click on this video and it'll pop out and explain, what things are and what it does. So, when you click the link in the description, you can come here and check it out and give it a test drive for $1. Okay. And there will be a link in the description. So it's going to actually show you what it does here. So this is the actual page. Now let's get into the, back office. Now this is the back office. Once you sign up, you're going to be taken here so you can get access to the software. Over here you have the menu, you have the products, you got devices that you have it on, orders, your billing, you have settings and things like that. We can change your password. You can even order solo ads from within here as well. He is a solo ad provider. Okay, then you have free training here. Okay, if I click it, so it has free training, some free training videos that you can check out down through here. For 3 days, you can go through this and learn a whole lot, if you find the time to do that. But it has all these training videos, support, in the Facebook group. So if I come back up to my products and I click on access to software, it's going to open up a new screen. You have to get started tab, the tutorials over here that you can watch. Okay. Access to training, apply to promote, you can become an affiliate for it, the Facebook group, and once again support. But if you come over here to tutorials, okay, and click down through here, you're going to see all of these tutorials on how everything works. Okay, I have used the inactive scanner. It was another tool that I used in here. I think it was like friend request remover. Yeah, incoming friend request remover. I removed all of those people. I think I had like 200 and something of those people. I removed all of those folks. So I haven't used all of the tools. But then you have some additional training here, traffic secrets here. Let's see, recommended tools. You have the group collector. Then, as I said before, apply to promote it, support and billing, and then sign out. So if we go back up here to getting started, this is the actual getting started tab where you can download whichever version, whichever type of computer you're using, if you're using the Windows version or Mac version. Now you can have this on 2 devices, as you see where it says that right here, there are device limit is up to 2. Okay, you can reset the devices here, and you can click here to print out a profile profit process map. Okay, so you have all of that training in here as well. So let's open up the actual software. And this is the software itself. Okay, so when you actually come in, you're going to have to log into Facebook through here, using your Facebook credentials or whatever. You're going to have to log in through here. Now you can set this for however many days that you want. If people haven't engaged in your post in 7 days, 14, 30, I did the 360 days. Okay, I started the scan, and boom, it went through there and it just started deleting people. The system is set up where it's going to automatically delay it, so you don't have to worry about, getting kicked off of Facebook or Facebook shutting your account down or anything like that. Okay, so you're going to start right here. This is where I started. Then inactive. Once it does that, it's going to list them over here. Everybody that's inactive. You can click the conversation filter up here. I forget what it said is for, but it have like little tutorials. If you have any question, you can pop the video open and explain it to you right here by clicking the little question mark up in the corner here. Okay, this is disable sleep mode, and I forget what that's for, or just some tips. Okay, so that's what that's for. Then you're going to remove the selected. Then we have the post friend finder. Okay, you have a video that explains how it works, simply right here. I'm going to come back and do another video on each one of these tools later on, but right now I just want to give you an overall view of everything that's in here. And so, you can check right here, only friend request people who live in the United States. It's optional. This video explains it to you. Okay, you're going to open up a Facebook window, and you can import proven posts if you have that. That's another tool that you would have to purchase separately. Okay, so then you have the member finder. This video explains to it how it works. It tells you up here no more than 60 friend requests per day recommended. Okay, so you can use all of this. You have optional keyword, target keywords to avoid, things like that. And you can send friend requests only to friends with things in common, optional. Fetch the group, and then it'll go to work for you. You have the mass messenger. Okay, so if you have a message, I'm assuming that if you have a message that you want to send out, to everybody in Messenger, you can do that in here. Okay, and you can set all of your parameters up over here on this side. Okay, you have the message remover. Okay, you can go through there and remove messages. This video walks you through that process. You have the inactive organizer. Okay, so you can start the scan, reset the list, all this newest to oldest, select the month, import list and export a list. You have a group inviter. Okay, that once again, the video shows you how to work it. This has, you can invite people to your group, a group that you have set up specifically. Okay, then you have deactivated profiles. You can start scanning. I ran this one as well. I like that little tool. Went through and found everybody that wasn't activated that I was friends with on Facebook, and it just deleted all those profiles for me automatically without me having to do it manually. Okay, then you have extras right here. You have a post lover tool, friend request cancellation tool. Okay, I ran this one here today. Comment auto replier tool, group remover, fancy tool, text broadcaster tool, incoming friend request remover. I ran this one today as well. And page inviter tool, where you can invite people to come to your page. Okay, then of course you have settings and things like that. I don't mess with anything back here. I just left everything the same as per his recommendation. You can automatically put your Facebook account in here, so it'll automatically log you in. Then of course, you have the back office, takes you back to the back office and things of that nature. So, that's how that works. And then of course you have log out. So I just wanted to give you a brief rundown on how this tool, can help and save you a lot of time if you're using Facebook, to run your business. Now, personally for me, I'm a YouTube man, but this tool comes in handy for me because I was getting a lot of friend requests from people I did not know, and I don't go in daily and delete those people. Okay. And so now I'm cleaning up my friends list, on Facebook. And I don't have to worry about doing it manually. This does it for me. This makes it easier for me. I highly recommend that you get access to this tool here. If you're a big Facebook person or you're looking to start Facebook. And as I said before, I'm going to actually come back in this software at a later date. And I'm going to go through each one of these tools, showing what each tool does once I learn what each tool does. Okay. You can come to this page right here, click the link in the description, watch this video here, choose your plan, or you can come down and watch this video here by Rodney and let him explain to you how it works as well. Okay. But like I said, I chose the $47 Pro monthly plan. You can test drive it for $1. So you can click the link in the description to get started. I'm going to do more in depth, with this. And if you're looking to grow, your business on Facebook, then I highly recommend the Social Prospecting Pro. So this is the review of this Facebook automation tool. If you like the video, leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up. If you have any comments, hit me up. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of other videos that I do, excuse me. And, so we can lock arms and try to make a killing on Facebook together. Okay. So with that being said, go ahead, click the link in the description, subscribe to the channel. I want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.